Hi everybody, my name is Danny.
Hi, I'm Zoe.
We are from the Customer Experience Department. Thank you for being here today. Today we will share information about Huawei data storage documentation as well as some useful tools. We hope that the information provided today will help you better understand data storage products.
In today's presentation, we will introduce Huawei storage documentation, the methods of obtaining documents, and how to use the documents and information query tools.
And also we will tell you how to give us feedback.
At first, we hope you can scan this QR code to subscribe to our newsletters. After scanning the code, please select Data Storage and enter your email address. Then click Join and you can stay up to date on our latest information. Come on and have a try. And if you like it, feel free to forward it to your friends.
Another piece of important information. During this live stream, you can raise questions in the chat bar. We have prepared a gift for each person who raises a question. And at the end of the presentation, we will test you with some questions, and the first person who gives the correct answer will win a prize. Okay, now on to the presentation. And first, we'll take a look at the storage documentation layout.
Wow, it's a long list, right? We have a wide range of documentation covering the whole life cycle of our storage products.
That's right, different documents for different use cases. For example, if you don't know our products very well, you can find helpful documentation and tools in the Know column. If you are planning for a storage system or solution, you can refer to those in the Plan column. And in the Build part, you can get the relevant guides, either documents or videos, or other multimedia forms for product installation and configuration. And in the Maintain part, we provide you with abundant resources for reference. If you want to learn more details about our products and storage technologies, you can go to the courses and training materials.
As you can see, there is an extensive amount of documentation. In case you cannot find the desired documents or you don't know how to use these information query tools, we are going to show you the methods of getting these documents and tools during the presentation.
Let's first look at how to obtain pre-sales documents. First, go to the ehuawei.com website and choose Products and Solutions, then Resource Center. In the product, choose Data Storage, and here you'll find the pre-sales documents for all of our storage products, including videos and datasheets.
And if you are looking for after-sales documents, there are also multiple ways.
That's right. Our storage documents are available on both the Huawei Technical Support website or Support E website and the Huawei Data Storage Info Center, our platform that integrates all storage documents, query tools, multimedia, and training courses.
On the right side, you can see two mobile apps, Huawei eFly and Huawei eKit. You can also get after-sale documents about some storage products from these two apps.
You can also scan the QR codes and install the apps on your mobile phone. This way you can check the product documents anytime you want.
Let's first check out the Support E homepage.
So after you log in to the technical support website, more resources will be displayed on the homepage. For example, under Tools, you'll find over 400 tools, which aim to help you plan, design, install, and deploy your products. Also, under Multimedia Portal, you can get videos about product installation and configuration.
Also on this page, you can find the Info Center, which gives you access to Huawei Data Storage Info Center we just mentioned. If you don't want to go to Data Storage Info Center, you can directly click Storage Solution, Flash Storage, or Distributed Storage on this page to access the document collection page of the corresponding topics.
For those whose native language is not English, we also provide the multilingual documents area, where you can find documents for different languages. For example, we have prepared documents in Japanese, French, German, Russian, Spanish, Portuguese, and Italian. We hope these documents can help you better understand our products.
Next, we will show you how to find documents specific to a product model. For example, to access OceanStor 5510 resources, choose Data Storage, Flash Storage, Convergent Storage, OceanStor 5510 to find a complete set of documents for the model.
Or you can directly search for the product name and version in the search bar. Using OceanStor 5510 as an example, after typing the product name in the search bar, the website will suggest a path. You can click the suggested path of your desired product, model, and version. Then a page listing all documents for this product model will be displayed. The document classification on the left can help you quickly find what you want.
If you don't click the suggested path, you can also press Enter or click the search icon after typing the product model. The page will display the full product resources, including documentation, software downloads, knowledge base, tools, and multimedia.
We also provide an offline browser for downloading and reading product documentation, which is called the ICS Lite. You can search for ICS Lite on Support E and download the latest version. With ICS Lite, you can add comments on the downloaded documents and locate them quickly. The upgrade library function will help you get the latest documents easily. For more details about ICS Lite, watch the video here.
We also recommend you use Huawei Data Storage Info Center for after-sales documentation. This platform is dedicated to storage products and is home to all storage product knowledge.
Here we integrate the documents, query tools, and learning materials related to our storage products.
Now let's show you how to access this platform.
On the Supportee website, you can directly access the Huawei Data Storage Info Center by clicking Info Center in the data storage area. Or you can directly enter this address on your browser. To view the resources in it, you need to log on using your Huawei Uniportal ID.
Huawei Data Storage Info Center covers our documentation, layout, and ways to get documents and query tools. On the home page, you can click Products to view all our product series.
For example, if you choose Ocean Protect Backup Storage, then X6000, the one-stop resource page for X6000 will be displayed. Next, we will show you how these resources on Info Center help you throughout the product lifecycle.
So if you are in the initial stages of a project and want to find information on a product, our interactive 3D display will offer intuitive and easy to digest information.
Yes, to access the 3D Experience Center, choose Tools, then 3D Experience, and then choose the product that you need. In this example, we are using OceanStor 5510.
This is an overall view of the product. In the upper left corner, there is a brief introduction. If you want a closer, more detailed look, click Explosion. This way you will get an exploded view of all the components in the product. We can see on the right column that all components are displayed by default. If you deselect a component, then it will disappear from the view. You can zoom in and zoom out to check out what's inside the product.
You can also move individual components by clicking Component. This is a more intuitive and interesting way to learn about the product.
To help guide you find the right product for your business, we have released the Specifications Query tool. It helps you understand and compare the specifications of Huawei storage products. Take OceanStor 5510 as an example. You can select the product series, model, and version on the tool page to obtain the specifications of this product, including the hardware specifications, software specifications, specifications related to software configuration, and so on.
We also provide a full set of tools to facilitate network planning, including the networking assistant, power consumption calculator, and graph library.
In Networking Assistant, select a product type and model. Here we use OceanStor 5000 as an example. Set the related parameters, and the relevant networking diagrams are output. For power consumption calculation, select a product series and a model, and then add components on your storage network. The tool can calculate the total power consumption.
Or if you want to design your own networking diagram, our graph library contains plenty of resources for you to download. Simply select a product and click Download SVG at the bottom.
To help better install and configure your device, we updated the Software Configuration Experience Center to provide the latest content for various products. The Experience Center integrates all interactive multimedia resources of our storage products. It allows you to experience product operations and processes without setting up a real environment, helping you understand the provisioning of key services.
For example, if I choose OceanStor Dorado Basic Storage Service Configuration Guide for Block, it will guide me to finish the basic service configurations step by step in a simulated environment.
The other useful tool is the Huawei Storage Interpretability Navigator. It can help you find out the products compatible with your storage model and versions. This way, you can avoid compatibility issues in advance, saving time and costs in compatibility tests.
Take OceanStor Dorado as an example. Set compatible with to basic connectivity. This allows you to check the connectivity information about the product and ensures that the basic connectivity of basic components is within the compatibility scope.
This year, we added the Best Practices query tool to our Storage Info Center. You can choose Tools, Best Practices to access these parts. Unlike the best practices related to single product on Support E, Best Practices on InfoCenter is the one-stop access to best practices about all Huawei storage products and solutions. You can filter these best practices by industry or by application scenario.
We know most of you prefer getting your information through mobile phones, so that's why we also cater the Quick Start content, which facilitates mobile document and tools. You can scan a QR code to access the Quick Start page of a specific product, which is very convenient. And in addition, we have optimized the quick installation guides for certain products to make sure they are concise and useful.
Data Storage Info Center offers extensive tools and documentations designed to simplify O&M. These dedicated tools include query of product EOX, spare parts, fault cases, as well as command, events, and error codes. Let's now take a look at spare parts query.
You can search by product information, by BOM number, by product, or by serial number. Let's search by product. After selecting your desired product, all spare parts suitable to this product will be displayed. You can also deselect some spare parts so that you are left with only the desired information that you want.
Now, I would like to introduce the fault cases query tool. This tool is newly added to the Info Center this year. With this tool, you can search by keywords for fault cases similar to what happened to your devices. The handling methods may be very helpful in troubleshooting device issues.
In addition to documents and tools covering the product lifecycle, we also have the hands-on lab. With online software demos, interactive configuration wizards, and real-life environments, you can experience our professional-grade storage services online and even perform POC tests.
You can access the lab by clicking the Hands-on Lab on the top menu bar of the Info Center homepage.
After entering the hands-on lab, select the scenario, experience type, product series, and product model as required. For example, if you need to use the Dorado 2000 function test environment, click the environment directly. On the display page, click the Reserve Test button and fill in the reservation information as required, and generally a submitted reservation will be approved within 1 working day.
Now it's time for feedback. If you find any problems in our documentation, you can approach us in either of 2 ways.
The first option is leaving feedback on the specific document. On the page of any online document, you can select the text and click Feedback to leave your feedback or suggestions on the text. You will get a response within 2 working days and a solution to your issue within 10 working days.
The second option is to contact Huawei WeKnow, our always online Q&A platform. WeKnow is Huawei's smart assistant that allows you to query product information around the clock. We plan to develop WeKnow into a centralized, easy-to-use tool that comprises a range of our other common tools.
WeKnow is called Online Support on the Support E homepage, which is easily identifiable by the monkey head icon. Under Data Center, click and find Storage, and then enter your question. If you don't think the answer is appropriate, you can contact our online support staff by clicking Manual Service.
If you have any suggestions on Huawei Data Storage Info Center, you can click Feedback box at the lower right corner of the homepage. Alternatively, you can directly send emails to us, infoit@huawei.com. To stay up to date to the latest information, please scan the QR code and subscribe to our newsletters. And remember to select Data Storage. Here, we will post all our new information. If you think this is useful, you can forward to your colleagues.
Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. We hope today's information will help you in your daily work. Now, we have prepared some questions for you to help you compound your knowledge. Remember, the first person to give the correct answer will win a prize, so get ready.
Now it's the quiz time. The first question is, which of the following is a one-step access to all best practices about Huawei storage products and solutions? So we have 4 choices.
A, B, C, or D, answer now.
Okay, the correct answer is B.
B,
The best practice section of Data Storage Info Center, like we just mentioned before.
You mentioned it a lot. Question 2. Which of the following online tools provide typical troubleshooting cases? Troubleshooting. Keyword.
That's a tricky one. I think it's a new tools we just mentioned.
It is. You can't play though. You know the answer. Okay, and the answer is, of course, fault cases. Troubleshooting.
Now question 3. What kind of materials can you get on the Huawei eKit app for distribution markets? So we still have 4 choices.
A, B, C, or D. Who's going to be the first to answer?
What can we get on that app? Okay, now the right one is D. All of the above.
All of the above. And our last question. Which of the following after-sales documents provide versions in languages other than English and Chinese? A, B, C, or D? Answer now if you want to win. Anyone gonna get it? The answer is, of course, D. All of the above. All of the above have versions other than English and Chinese.
Okay.
Alright. Well, that's it for today. If you were the first one to answer the questions correctly, remember to send an email to info@huawei.com and you'll collect your prize. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.